Hey guys, today is March the 26th. It's currently 8:41 in the morning. We had a little bit of news at 8:30 this morning. And let's see here. I think we might also have some news at 9 o'clock, but hopefully that won't affect us too much here. Alright. As usual, we're going to be testing, selling a limit.
Order pending.
And we're looking for a nice U here. I'm thinking we might get filled on this one. Market doesn't have far to come up. Alright. Not too worried about it going sideways right here. So all we need is a little push up to get filled. Alright, let me go ahead and pause it and I'll be back once we get entered. As you guys can see here, we have that hash above this red mark. I know there was another individual in the trade room that looks for that when entering a trade. As you can see, he would have entered right around that level. And I'm perfectly fine if we get filled here. Have a good reason to go short. Typically I wouldn't enter this trade because it's a V. And we're looking for a U. But I'm just testing this out right now.
Order filled.
Alright. Alright, we'll use 15, and as you can see, that's right on the other side of this selling node. As you guys have seen, the last couple weeks I've just been playing around with the manual low volume nodes, just trying to get comfortable with them. But most likely next week I'll go ahead and start implementing the entire system. And something that a lot of people have had questions on is as far as the difference between Nodetrader and Scalp Trader. Scalp Trader, it is a separate system, and it's this right here. I showed you guys what it was in the Scalp Trader review that I did recently. But basically it just doesn't include all of these other indicators. Whereas Nodetrader, on the other hand, it comes with all of these indicators, all of these prints you'll be able to get, and a lot more, like I said, indicators with support and resistance levels, and it's just a lot more thorough. And as the vendor said, Scalp Trader is a part of Nodetrader. They're not two separate systems. He's just selling the Scalp Trader portion separately. That's why I wanted to focus on that initially, but we'll definitely look at adding scalp trades back. Like I said, I've just been focused on the low volume nodes here, just trying to get used to them.
Target filled.
Alright, first target just got hit. Got another low volume node right here. and if this one gets filled, we'll just manage the rest of the trade with the trailing prints, as you can see here and so on. Here's a trailing print. Put that right above it. Alright, we're only at about 6 minutes here. That is a good thing. I think we really could continue pushing down, but I'm going to leave my stop right there. I want to put it here because I think the market will come up and bounce off that level and make another low. But I'm going to follow the prints here, and if it gets hit, it just gets hit.
Stop filled.
Alright, so we made a little extra money. And we'll see if the market reverses at this level or if it pushes up through it. Because my break-even level would have been right there. So if the market pushes up and hits that level, then it was good to leave my stop down here. But if it reverses right here at this low volume node, then obviously I could have remained in the trade, possibly made a little bit more money. Alright, so as you guys can see, the market came up to my level basically to the tick. So I would have been taken out right here. And actually looking at this is actually potentially another entry level. We got a nice U here. I wasn't paying attention to it because we were already in this trade, but this is potentially another level to get short at. We have a lower low, so you know what, folks? Like I said, let's just go ahead and make it happen. Sell it
Order
limit.
pending.
If it loses, it just loses. And the thing is, when you add the entire system together, the low volume nodes, the support and resistance levels.
Order filled.
Alright, so we're now in this trade as well. Alright, we're at 39. I think we entered this at 38. Alright, so that's fine. Let's go ahead and put this down at 28. One tick up.
Stop filled.
Okay, so we got our stop hit on that one. We have another opportunity here to go short, but I don't like taking trades back to back like that. But like I said, just for testing purposes.
Order pending.
We did make a lower low here. at 10 minutes. Let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back if we get filled. Alright guys, we just got that hash right there. And that's one thing that I've continued to notice. Whenever we get a push into a buying or selling zone, and then we get a bar change colors to the direction we need it to be, and we get a hash, the market does tend to push down a bit. So for example, if we would have entered here at 46, down to 36 would have been our first take profit. So that's definitely something I'm going to keep an eye on here. Alright guys, as you can see here, we just got a hash print. Trying to see if I want to leave that here. I'm guessing we're going to get a pretty strong push up. So I might want to enter on the other side instead of down here. Let's just wait and see what the market does here. We're looking for short trades, so all these hash marks I'm seeing above these red bars is a really good sign to me. Alright, let me pause it and I'll be back if we get entered. Alright guys, we just got
filled.
Dog. Didn't quite get that down quick enough. Let me see where we actually got taken out at. We entered at 50.35. Market came down to 50.28, so not as far down as I would have liked my target to be, but I'll take it. And again, we entered on this low volume node right here. And we actually have a hash mark now. So that's a pretty good sign. Hopefully we'll get a push down. $35 down to 19. We'll just have to wait and see what happens here. Got a short scalp print. We were one tick from getting hit. I hate when that happens. Let's go ahead and push that there.
Target filled.
Alright. And now we'll manage the rest. And go ahead and push this to basically at break even. The rest will be managed with the trailing prints. Alright guys, let me go ahead and pause this. We're already at 14 minutes here. I don't want this to run up into the 20s, so I'll be back shortly. Alright guys, the market came down a little bit, and then we got this large green bar that just pushed up into the selling zone. As you can see right here, I decided to go ahead and put my 2-minute chart on the main screen here, so I can always have a visual on where that high volume node is. As you can see also, we're currently in the middle of a selling zone on the 2-minute chart. 50.36. So the high volume node is actually right above this level. So it's very possible that we'll get a reversal at the high volume node right here if the market comes up to it. And 2 ticks isn't gonna hurt us too much. One contract left, that's $20, so I'm not worried about that. And we'll be able to see here shortly if the market does react to this or if it just decides to bust straight through it. I was hoping the market would go ahead and move in one direction or the other, but it looks like we're still just tinkering around sideways here. 17 minutes in. Let me go ahead and pause it and I'll be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, market just shot up to our break-even level. A couple ticks away from stopping us out.
Stop filled.
And there it is. Stop just got hit. And once again, the market came right up to the tick. And we'll see if it continues pushing up here. Actually, let me go ahead and pause it. I'll be back with you guys on the next opportunity. Guys, market just made a higher high right here.
Order pending.
Have my a longer time frame chart on another monitor. I'm looking at the 30-minute over here.
Order cancelled. Order pending.
Alright, I'm going to switch that to a 2, mainly because we have this other one down here. If the market reacts to this, that's fine. We'll get a piece of it, but if it does continue to push down, I want to be able to add another 2 right here at this level, just in case.
Order pending.
So that's basically how it'll be set up here. And of course we have this selling zone from right here. Market came up and then reversed pretty hard off of that. So it's possible it will do the same thing. Alright guys, we just got entered into this trade. Let's see here, 55 up to 65 and down to 45. So that is perfect the way it is. Got this little selling low volume node right here. We'll see if the market can bust through this level. 63. If we can get to 63, hopefully we'll push up to 64. And that's not a good sign. We just got a selling zone right here. So that's why I moved this down to one tick beneath that level. Hopefully the market will push up the 1 or 2 ticks we need here. We'll go ahead and limit our loss. Guys, we literally just need 1 or 2 ticks to get hit here. I'm not going to take a full stop on this one since I saw this pop up here. Oh, okay, that's nice. As you guys can see, we have that now. So we can place our stop right there. And since we know the market's having a hard time pushing through there, I'll go ahead and move it down 1 more tick. Hopefully that'll be enough for it to push back up at least to that same level. Six ticks in profit right now, 8 ticks, 10 ticks. Look at that, market came right up to it, but did not fill us there. Definitely want to get filled.
Target filled.
Beautiful, good stuff. Alright, now we're 7 ticks in the profit, 9 ticks, 10 ticks. As usual, we will trail this up when we get trailing prints. Actually, that is a nice level right here also. Right beneath this, and there's our first trailing print. Perfect location right beneath this buying node. We're already pushing 25 minutes. Let me pause it and I'll be back shortly. Alright guys, we came within 1 tick of being stopped out here. And we're still pretty close. 1 tick away and we'll be out.
Stop filled.
And there it is. Alright, we're now at 25 minutes. But I think I'm going to go ahead and shut it down here. I don't like these getting this long. It takes a really long time to upload these videos when they get in that 20-25 minute range. So I will see you guys tomorrow, and as I stated, next week we'll go ahead and throw everything together. Instead of just trading low volume nodes, we'll go ahead and trade the zone trades, the trend trades, the manual low volume node trades, and of course the scalp prints and the aggressive scalp prints. And a lot of these levels, especially the low volume nodes, they will be good kind of to let us know where there are going to be stop signs in the market for our actual prints here. I don't know how much more trading I'm actually going to do with the low volume nodes, but they definitely are something that are good to have on the chart so that we can see where we're going to, like I said, have slow down levels. And the same with these different zones, the buy zones and the sell zones, and all of these different indicators that you guys see. That's really the power that I found of having Nodetrader, knowing where these levels are. Okay, so next week we're going to go ahead and throw everything together and see how it does then. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and we'll, I guess, continue what we did today. Take care.